Oh man, this is heavy duty. I have another Zara haul for you guys today because why not? This haul is a lot of wearable basics and solid garments, completely my style. It's all the pieces that you can do so much with. So let's get on with the reviews, prices, sizes, and some styling tips as well. And of course the try on haul. Before we get on to it, my name is Hina Somani. On this channel we talk about fashion, beauty, and a lot of self-development. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the haul. First things first, I got this lime poplin shirt, basically like a lightweight cotton. I got it in the size medium, which is honestly quite loose to me. Now, if you haven't seen my previous haul, I'm gonna link it in the card above. And I ordered a few pieces in S and I found them a bit tight. So this time I ordered everything in M and it's quite loose. But I was honestly looking for oversized shirts because oversized shirts you can really do so much with unless they are not too oversized. The reason I feel it's such a versatile piece is one, of course, because it's a solid color. Solid colors tend to pair up with more pieces. Also because it's in the lighter spectrum of colors, like it's a much lighter shade. Again, it increases its versatility. It pretty much matches any colored bottoms. You could do really so much with it. You could wear it just like it. You could tie a knot. You could wear it off shoulder if it's oversized. There's just endless possibilities of styling like a plain simple oversized shirt. And I do think that this light lime green color kind of adds that element of interest which a plain simple white shirt doesn't have, but still gives you the same versatility as the white shirt. Now this shirt cost me 1990 and I think it's really worth the money for the quality it is. There are so many ways you could style it. For example, you could tuck it in your jeans and have like these layered necklaces. You have like a comfy chic look. I have these light pink pants. You can go for like a nice color blocked summery look, as well as you could go monochromatic, which brings me to the next piece of the haul. Also, I'm going to have short hair in some of the clips and long hair in some of the clips because I filmed it on 2 different days and I got a haircut in the middle, so yes. So now I've got a similar shade of lime green trousers. They are like flared at the bottom. They have like a mini flare at the bottom. Again, I've got a medium size. The price for these trousers was 2590, which I again do think is quite worth it. Also in general, I feel like Zara has gone down on their prices a bit. Of course, I'm guessing only because to increase their sales. Also, I've got 2 pieces from sale items which are coming right up. Now, I really do think that they've lowered down their prices, so it really is a good time. If you have the budget to invest, I think it's great time to invest in quality pieces and they're giving it for bargain prices than the usual. I love wearing trousers more than I like wearing jeans, only because I find them more comfortable. Again, I find them more versatile and I like to have versatile pieces in my wardrobe. Now, I do really like the style of it. What I don't really like is the fitting on me and my body type. So I'm really conscious about my belly area. So it fits really great. Like if you see on camera, it looks really great. It feels like it's the right fitting. But on the belly area, it's a bit snug and I'm a bit conscious about my belly area. I can't tuck in my shirt if I wear this pant or trousers. I honestly really like trousers that are kind of looser from the belly area, which don't like really snug onto it. It makes me feel more comfortable. I can easily tuck in my tops, and with this one I won't be able to do it, which is why I'm pretty sure I'm going to return it. But if you're not conscious and you like the color and the style, I think it's a lovely pair of pants. You could easily invest in them. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video, how about you take a second to just like this video? It really helps me out on my channel. Now on the topic of trousers, let me show you another pair of trousers that I got, which is actually looser from the belly area. These are like these beige trousers. They kind of have a jogger's look, but the fabric is not like joggers. These trousers I absolutely love. Again, I got them in a medium, same price as the lime green one, and I absolutely love them. I love how they look on me. They kind of make me look taller. I've actually already styled them with a few looks and I just think they're super versatile. And FYI, beige is my favorite color, so of course I'm a little bit more biased towards it. Trousers itself is extremely comfortable, but I'm not a huge fan of the fabric they have on this. Like when you walk, it kind of makes a little bit of a noise, but from the inside it's very comfortable, so I'm really confused. One of the ways I styled it with was like a satin top, which is a part of this haul. I got like this cream satin top which I've paired with these pants, and man, do I love this whole look. And I really like the satin top. It's such a comfortable fabric. It really feels luxurious and it feels like very comfortable on your skin. Again, I ordered it in a medium. I also feel that this is loose. Now this shirt was 1990. Now for the quality of it, I would absolutely recommend it, blindly recommend it. In fact, they have, I think, a longer one as well if you're not into like this cropped one. And I think I'm repeating myself, but again, you could do so much with it. It's a basic color, it's a satin top, always looks luxurious. It's also comfortable because of the style of it. Like, what else do you need, man? As we're on the topic of oversized, I ordered an oversized white long shirt. Now, this said it's an oversized shirt and I got it in a medium, and man, this is super loose. Like, it's extremely, really loose, like impossible to wear loose. So I definitely have to exchange this. Like, I was floating in it, the length is way too long. And while I was ordering, I felt like, I should go for a smaller XS because it already said it's an oversized style. But the last time I ordered things and it did just felt a bit tight, I felt, what? And the website suggested that I should go for a medium. So I was like, okay, let's just go for a medium. But dude, this is very loose. I'm gonna reorder it in an XS. In fact, I know that even an S is gonna be super loose. And then I'm gonna style them because I feel like this style of shirt is so versatile. You could do so much with it. You could add a belt, you could wear it with bottoms, you could also make it very Indian. There's just tons of things that you could do. You could tie a knot, you could wear it as a cover up on the beach, and I love such pieces that you could absolutely do so much with. This shirt was 1890. Again, completely worth it for what it is. Just be wary of the size. In fact, everything in this haul, I actually kept in mind the prices, and I knew that for what I'm ordering and the versatility of it and the price and the quality, I knew it's gonna be a superb value for money. Next, we have this cropped white linen shirt. I've been loving these fabrics. I again got it in a medium. It was 1890, same as the previous one. And I've been loving these fabrics because I feel like they're super comfortable. In this video, I paired it up with the lime green pants that I've got, but I feel like it would look amazing with an all-white look. Also, I think it would look beautiful with like denim. You do some layered necklaces, and again, you have like this comfy chic look that I was talking about in the first shirt, which is the one that I'm wearing. So I guess the whole theme of this video is like having all the comfy chic pieces, which is what was going on in my head while I was shopping for this. After trying on everything, I definitely feel that for the tops, I could have easily gone for a small. The last two pieces I have, I got it in sale, so I've got them for a bargain price. Both the pieces are 790 and both of them are knitwears. One of them is like this beige turtleneck with like a pearl detailing at the back, which for me is a bit useless because my neck isn't as long, so I'm gonna fold it. So the whole pearl detailing is kind of a useless point for me. But the color, the quality, and I've already mentioned beige is my favorite color, so of course I'm biased. Absolutely adore this piece, definitely keeping it. The other knitwear I got is like a really light shade of baby pink. Like, it's so light that it almost looks like a white. Also, I love how it has this v-neck detail with collar. Mostly knitwear are all like with round collars. I really like this interesting detail of v-neck, loose, comfy, cozy, exactly up my alley. And I ordered these knitwears keeping in mind that you have winter in a few months, and of course they were for bargain prices and colors that I love and styles that I really appreciate. So then it was all a win-win situation. That's it for this Zara haul. Let me know which one was your favorite piece, and if you enjoy these haul videos, should I do more of these? Also, next week I have a very interesting video which is opposite to this. I'm doing the worst purchases I've made in my early 20s. It's quite embarrassing and it's really funny, so you don't want to miss it. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that when I upload the video you actually get a notification and you can watch it. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm really excited to see you guys next week. So hot, I really don't know what to do, man. I'm like sweating, and if I switch on the AC, you guys are gonna have like the worst audio. Oh my god, it's raining. What the hell, man? When can I ever film? Oh, it stopped. It